Hello? Hello, Loulou, tiny Loulou. Baby, how lovely eyes you've got. And what curly hair is this? And that's your elder sister? That's Lily Rose, our little Rose. Kid Maggie. And Kid Tink, famous, wonderful scout. I'm so much in love with their reborning. It's a custom order. And they are going to Mama after their photo shoot. Τα όμορφα μωράκια μας, η μικρή Λουλού και η μικρή μας η τριανταφυλένια, η Lily Rose. Lily Rose, under a rose background. And tiny Loulou. Just look at her. And look at her. Look at those little tiny fingers and nails. Perfect. Girls, beauty, I love you babies.